Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make beef curry with hard-boiled egg. Back there I have so much stuff. I have paprika, and I have a can of coconut milk, curry powder, nutmeg, cumin, turmeric, black peppers, and also butter. And I have that beef right there that I don't have much time to soak it. Anyway, that's beef flank. That's my hard-boiled eggs, potatoes, carrots, and dark soy sauce and soy sauce. I'm sorry, my voice is talking my allergy again. Okay, let's get started. I have so much stuff in here on my counter. Okay, let's go ahead and drop some a little oil and butter. And drop the garlic. Let it light brown. Now let's drop the onion. Now let's drop the meat. Just let it brown or cook it like 5 minutes here. Put your heat too high, that way the meat will brown right away. And let's go ahead and drop the soy sauce, dark sauce, and also cumin, curry powder, paprika, turmeric, and then curry powder, and then nutmeg, Smell good. And black pepper. To mix it. And we'll add the broth. It's gonna be now we're gonna have to simmer this until the meat. We need to simmer this until the meat is tender. It's probably less than an hour. Okay. Let's cover it up and simmer it. Okay, let's go ahead and drop coconut milk. That looks good. Now let's add all the vegetables. Carrots and potatoes. And egg. We're gonna drop the pepper bell later. You can add like green peppers here, but I don't have one. That's all I have right now. So let's simmer that until the vegetables is soft. So this is my homemade red beef curry with eggs. So let's drop some the peppers. Just cook it like 3 minutes and ready to serve. Alright, turn off your heat and this is ready to serve. Alright everyone, here is my red beef curry with a hard-boiled egg. Okay, thank you for watching. We'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okie dokie, see ya.